Welcome to Study with Badra.
Meet Queen Ratnamanjari. She's left behind a sparkling treasure chest and a mysterious puzzle for her people to solve. 100 lockers in a grand room. In a grand room, there are 100 lockers. Each locker is closed and numbered from 1 to 100. A crowd gathers, ready for the Queen's challenge. Person 1 opens every locker. Person 1 steps up. They open every single locker, one by one. Now, all the lockers are open. Person 2 toggles every second locker. Next, Person 2 takes their turn. They close every second locker. Now, all the even-numbered lockers are closed. Person 3 toggles every third locker. Person 3 comes forward. They toggle every third locker. Some lockers open, some close. One by one, each person takes a turn. Person 4 toggles every fourth locker. Person 5 toggles every fifth locker. This continues all the way to Person 100. Let's look at locker number 12. It gets toggled by everyone whose number divides 12. That's 6 people in total. Now, look at locker number 9. It's toggled by 3 people, 1, 3, and 9. That's an odd number of times. Only lockers with an odd number of toggles stay open. These are the perfect squares, 1, 4, 9, 16, and so on. They shine bright while the others stay closed. Imagine you're Person 7. You only toggle lockers 7, 14, 21, and so on. But in the end, only perfect square lockers remain open. So, which lockers are open at the end? Lockers numbered 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, and 100. These are the Queen's secret. Did you solve the puzzle? Tell us in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun stories. Thanks for watching.